She's 17 years old and she has her own business. Girl, who? Who? Okay. Anyway. Hey friends, welcome to my channel, Cateyeglamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, glamour, lifestyle, all that. So you should subscribe right now. Hit the button. Okay guys, so we have a hair video. I'm gonna do some hairstyling, some light, very light hairstyling, nice romantic sort of hairstyle. Since Valentine's Day is coming up, this is gonna be a nice little date night sort of, you know, hairstyle, or for whatever night that you want it to be. It could be a ladies' night. Either way, it's gonna be cute. We gonna be cute. So since this video is sort of date night inspired for Valentine's Day, it's only right that we have our nails done, hair done, everything did. Speaking of nails, I'm not sure if you guys checked out my press on tutorial, but this is my new set. Of course, it's from SugarScoopBeauty.com, which is my brand. I'll leave the link below. The name of this set is called Pink Frosting, and I swear to you, this camera is not even doing it justice. In person, this set is so pretty, so definitely go ahead and check out the tutorial. So we have like a nice neutral glam, because a lot of men like neutral makeup that looks natural, but we know it takes a lot to even look natural. So I did this sort of makeup because I figured it went with our theme today. I have a nice nude gloss on and a nice brown lip liner, which is from Sugar Scoop Beauty. However, these two items are not on the site yet. These are new glosses that I just formulated. This one is called Naked and the lip liner is called Brownie. I'll scoot in a little closer so you guys can see what this is. A bomb perfect nude. Perfect. Let me just scoot in a little closer. Okay, so this is Naked. It's a really nice nude. It's a sort of a tan nude with a little bit of a pink undertone, and these glosses are more pigmented than the first launch. The first one was like sheer, you know, gloss, just wet, glistening looking lips, but these 4 new colors that are coming out have a little bit more pigment in it, so it's a really nice, just a really nice formula. And it's going to be in a wand tube, so you guys will see that. And it's even going to have, well, you'll see when it comes out. It's coming out soon. So here it is. So smooth, and the lip liner is called Brownie. I have a swatch of the gloss here on my hand, so you can see. This is a really nice nude color, and it has that little bit of a pink undertone, so it's so pretty. Let me just swatch. This is the lip liner here. This is called Brownie 08. So here it is, and I'll just swatch it so you guys can see how it just glides on. So smooth, so pretty. So that's what I have on. I absolutely love this. Hold on. Let me do it again. I put it over some gloss, but here it is. I love the combo, and I hope you guys love it. I think there's going to be about, I have 7 lip liners coming out. So yeah, girl. So we're gonna be able to do some bomb combo. So again, this is Naked that's gonna be launching with the date night collection, and this is Brownie, which is a lip liner that's permanent. So that's not like a collection or anything. That's gonna be always on the site. This is for date night. All right. So now let's. Damn, where did the sun just go? Let's get into our hair tutorial. All right. So in case you're wondering, this hair is from UNICE hair. They didn't send me this hair. I did purchase it on my own, and I purchased a 24-inch U-part wig. Now with the U-part wig, it does, normally I do my own U-part wigs, like I sew the tracks on and make my own. I don't know why it took me so long to buy one already done, probably because I really didn't even know that they had them. So I went ahead and purchased it. Now mine's had the clips in it, or the hooks or whatever, how wigs normally come, but I took those out because I didn't plan on just sitting it on top of my head. I sewed my U-part down, so my hair is braided under here and it's sewed down, and it has like my hair left out along the perimeter, and of course this portion here. So yeah, it's 24 inches. So far I really like the hair. Like I really like it. It's soft, it's not tangly. However, it is new, so I'll definitely keep you guys posted on how it goes. But this is it here, 24 inches. Let me show you how it hits me. It comes down to about here. I didn't do anything to it yet, so since I've done it, which has been a couple days now, maybe 3 or 4 days, maybe 3 or 4 days. I've had a bonnet on it the whole time. I'll show you my bonnet right here. I literally just took it off for the video. It's this bonnet. This is the it's called Cateyeglamour. That's the name of the company. This is actually my niece's company. She is 17 years old and she has her own business. Girl, who? Okay. Anyway, so that's the bonnet that I have on. I have a little makeup on mine. So this is it here. I'll link it below if you guys are interested. So I always have my hair, when I have bundles in, I always have this on because it keeps it soft and, you know, keeps it nice. You know how bonnets go. Okay, but I keep mine. I don't wear mine outside the house. I don't know if y'all do, but I wear mine only inside the house. Only inside, girl. Only inside. So we're gonna curl the hair with the Nano Titanium. Y'all know I love this one. I had a previous hair curling tutorial video, but this one is the bomb, the bomb, the bomb, the bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair and we're gonna get into some really easy, loose curls, romantic curls. So I just threw some of it back into like a ponytail. So we're gonna start off with the bottom. I'm just scooting a little closer. And okay, this is really hot. I don't want to burn the hair, so I'm just gonna slide it through the hair really quickly. This hair straightens out pretty good. This is the body wave. I don't know if I mentioned that, but this is body wave. So I'm gonna grab this whole section and try to curl it. You'll see. I'm just gonna grab it and we're just gonna keep going around. See how we can get it done. I have this on. I feel like I have this on too damn hot. I can barely grab the hair. Okay. All right, yeah. So let's continue to curl. So what are you girls or guys planning on doing for Valentine's Day or date night? Do you even celebrate it? Like whenever Valentine's Day come, I look forward to seeing who gets engaged, because a lot of people get engaged on Valentine's Day. It's corny, but it's cute, if you know what I'm saying. But I always look forward to it. Like, okay, who got the ring today? But yeah, let's go ahead. These are how the curls are coming out. So cute. Yeah, I'm gonna keep on sectioning it off and we'll see how it looks when we're done. I don't know if I'm gonna speed through it or talk through it. I guess y'all will see. friends, so we are done styling the hair. The hair curls so well, like it curls so good. Now, how long these curls are gonna last, I honestly don't know. I didn't put any product on the hair. I normally don't put any product on the hair when I wear it, so we'll see how long it lasts. But either way, I know I love the way it feels. I love the texture, and my experience with it so far is good. So you guys will see me in, you know, future videos and see how it's holding up. I'll definitely keep you posted in case you're interested in purchasing from UNICE Hair. Again, they did not send me this. I bought this with my own money, but if they want to send me some hair, oh my God, you are welcome to, because I love this hair. So I would love to review other textures or whatever the case is, but y'all know how quickly I switch my hair. One week you see me with this hairstyle, next week you see me with the next, because I get bored so quickly. And I love U-parts for that reason. I just braid my hair down, sew it down, and when I don't want it anymore, I just, you know, cut those threads and remove it and do another hairstyle, because I like to switch it up. So they're convenient for me. So the fact that UNICE Hair has U-part wigs that I don't have to physically sew myself, I am very happy about that. Very happy about that. Just leave my edges out, and it's the, what was that sound? My son is always distracting me when I'm trying to do these videos, but if you're a mom, you get it. Okay, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, of course. I hope you love this hair. Let me stand up so you guys can see the bottom, like the ends of it. And, you know, don't mind me. I do have on pajama pants, okay? Okay, this is real life. Normally, y'all only see me from waist, not even the waist, really. So, this is the hair. It's so bouncy, so pretty. It makes me feel so glamorous. Let me run my nails through it so you can see how it just goes through so smooth. I really like this hair. No lie. UNICE about to get some of my money. They're about to get some of the money. They're gonna get some of the money, okay? I really like it, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I feel really glamorous. It's been a while since I've been cute. At least it feels like it's been a while. I've been working so hard, doing so many things, but I'm cute today. So I might flex on the gram a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I am gonna flex on the gram a little bit, because look at my hair. I have, let me pop my arm, let me pop my shoulders, pop my sleeves, okay? So I'm in love with the hair, as you can tell, as you can tell. Be sure to come back, guys. Make sure you like the video. If you like the video, like the video. I mean, like the video. If you like me, subscribe, because you want to see me again. Subscribe. And bring a friend next time, okay? Because we need to grow the glam gang. I'm on my way to 2,000 subscribers. I recently celebrated my 1 year anniversary on YouTube, which was January the 6th, which that's exciting. So I made it a year. Been consistent the whole time. I feel like I've been consistent the whole time because I thoroughly enjoy doing YouTube videos, and one day maybe I'll be able to be doing YouTube videos full time, like completely dedicated to it. So maybe one day that'll happen, but y'all gotta help me make that happen, because your girl need, you know, I need subscribers, okay? I need people to watch, okay? So bring your friends, and don't forget to come back. Bye. Say bye, hair. Bye. Bye, y'all.